Hello, in this video, we will learn how to change your Twitter username. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the Twitter application. Click on your profile picture. A menu will appear, press on Settings. Then, select Account and Privacy Settings. Now, I will click on My Account. Choose the Account Information option. From here, we can change the username. Now, you need to write the new username. The green icon indicates that the username is currently available and you can use it. Click on Done. As you can see, the username has been successfully changed. Finally, please support us by liking the video and following us to stay updated with all our new videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.